my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. So today we are in day like 3042 of staying at home, and a few weeks ago Disney released a bunch of different recipes from the parks, and I thought it might be fun to make them and try them. So this is the first of at least 2 videos that I'm gonna film. Today I'm making a Dole Whip, and this is the recipe that Disney released on their app. I have seen other recipes for this. In fact, like Dole has a recipe for the Dole Whip, which is different than this. And I do know that this is not the recipe from the actual Dole Whips at the park, because this one calls for vanilla ice cream, and Dole Whips in the park are dairy-free. But let's go ahead and make it, and we'll see how it turns out. So it's really simple, and it only takes 3 ingredients. So it takes pineapple juice, and I got this giant thing of pineapple juice. Let me just tell you that groceries were a little scarce. I actually got this from Target on curbside pickup. It's the only pineapple juice I could find. And then from a Costco run, I have organic pineapple chunks. And then also from Costco, I have this Kirkland Super Premium Vanilla Ice Cream. So the recipe is super simple. It is a giant scoop of vanilla ice cream, 2 cups of frozen pineapple, and 4 ounces of pineapple juice. So let's see how this goes. Super thick and it's not mixing, so I'm gonna try this thing in the Vitamix and see if it'll mix a little bit better. Okay, so that sounded horrible, but the consistency looks good, so let's see. Not bad. It does taste pretty close to a Dole Whip. I would say it definitely has a little bit of a creamier taste to it, but considering most of these ingredients you can either easily get or you probably already have at home, definitely give the Dole Whip a try. I will go ahead and link the recipe in the description box below, not only for this Dole Whip, but also for like the real Dole Whip. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried this Dole Whip at home. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every week. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
You that video too.
What he said. Okay, who wants a Dole Whip?
Me.